Yeah.
Part 2 on custom paint, guys. Check this out. Boom. See it? Yep, costs $2.
It's about a trouble hole that you put on. Sometimes you need some luck. Skill is not enough, you need some luck. Throw this in lures on. See how it works. You got the sustain, right? That's a sustain, right? Those are sustain reel, right? No, Fluger. I thought you got sustain. Homemade lure, homie. The Thunderstorm Junior, man. The one I told you. Fish on, baby. Fish on! Right.
Yeah, walk him down, dude. Walk him down. Watch my rod, bro.
Fish on. Walk right there. Henderson, come on, hook it up.
Dude, that's a good one, buddy. Shit.
Oh! Homie, come on, homie. Hook that up for me. Yeah! Oh, shit! Oh, no. You kidding me? You kidding me? Hook that up, homie.
Oh, shit.
Hook
Come on,
that.
bring him in, dude.
You kidding me, homie? It came back. Oh, yeah! Oh, shit!
Ow!
Oh, it broke my leg. Look what kind of lure I'm using right there. Look at what kind of lure I'm using right there.
Dude, that shit popped out as soon as he hit the net.
Dude, check out the lure, homie. Check out the lure.
Dude, that's a female. She's fucking with the egg, dude.
Oh, shit. Look at that lure. Look at that lure. Thunder Junior, homie. I told you that thing's worth.
Alright, get your ass out of here. My turn.
Wait, let me take the picture. Let me hold the fish. Yeah! Got it! Oh! Don't take pictures for me. Look at that! Holy crap! Oh shit! Show the lure, man. Show the homemade lures. Show the homemade lure, man. Ah! Y'all see that? Look at that right there. Now you tell me what they work so good. You don't believe me.
I believe you.
All right. I'll tell you how you snap a picture.
All right.
On almond board again. Jason's special, but it was freaking little, man. It woke me up, man. It's good. Hey, how about you want to reel it? I'll do the reel. How you caught a fish, man? You caught one of these, right? Dude, you want to play with it? I let you play with it. It's a catch or lose. What I do? Come on, fish on, baby. 3 for tonight. Json special. Json special. I think this is the biggest one.
I think you're right.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh shit.
Monster. The monster.
Get it up, dude.
No, this is a big one, homie.
Get it up.
Oh yeah, this is.
Oh wow. Yeah.
This is a big one.
Yeah, that's what we're after there.
That'll be the man. Oh yeah, that's just amazing. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, fish on, baby. Stella.
Shout out to the kid.
Shout out to the kid. You hear that, homeboy? Home custom paint right here on the Json special.
What time is it, man? 5 a.m.?
5:30. Dude, this is a big one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
See me. There you go. Oh, you got him? This is gonna be a big video.
All right, come on, bring him in. Swing him over.
Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Bring him in. Swing him in.
Oh, you put your net down. I'm gonna push it to your nose.
My net don't hit the water until he's an inch away from me.
Let him fight a little bit. You got a good video right there.
Yeah, that's true.
There you go.
We got a good little V-roll.
There you go. Got him. Yeah, baby.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, he's heavy.
That's a 20. That's a freaking.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, he's 18.
Should we kill or let him go?
You want to let him go?
Just a couple of pictures, let him go.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh boy! Look at that! On Json special, baby. Right in the lips. Look at that, baby. What you call it, huh? Huh? Json special. Nice. Nice, baby. Well, keep on letting him go. What do you think? Need something?
Well, if you want to let him go, you got to do it quick.
You think it's smart?
We'll see when we drop him in.
Put your arm on there. You still feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah. On Json special, but custom for Almond. Shout out to White Boy Almond. Your lure's so great tonight, homie. He told me to shout out for his name. Alright. Oh, wait, take pictures. Pictures. Do pictures. Come on. Are you feeling? Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Part 2 on custom paint, guys. Check this out. Boom. See it? Yep, cost 2 tonight on my custom paint. Right here. Stella, baby. On the Stella. G-looming rod. Alright guys.
Stella is freaking magazine that I want to buy, alright? It's smooth like butter, my friend. See that? Feel that? It's like riding a Cadillac. Smooth like butter. Alright, kid, go.